If you're looking at tons of candidates and could use another set of eyes to help qualify someone, have you thought about using ChatGPT? Check this out. I crafted a detailed prompt where I told ChatGPT its job and passed the job description for a role I was hiring for, then asked for its help qualifying this candidate by giving me a score, explaining why it gave the score, and then actually giving me a list of questions that I can ask to better vet that candidate in our next conversation. Once it responds, it gives me all of that information and I can keep asking questions, or I can copy that response and go use it wherever I need to, or I can save the conversation so I can easily access it and come back to it later. The best part, I can execute this from any LinkedIn profile with a single click. What's even better, since I did this with a Pixibricks ChatGPT sidebar mod, I can pass context from the current page. So I can use this on LinkedIn and say, get the context from the page about this user, this candidate, and compare it with that job description to run that prompt without me having to copy and paste anything or drag any links or anything like that. Want to try it out for yourself? Head to the page linked in the description and click Try ChatGPT sidebar. You'll connect your email address and answer a few quick questions, and then you'll be prompted to install the Chrome extension. Once you've done that, just open the Pixibricks sidebar by clicking the puzzle icon and then choosing the Pixibricks action from there. It's up in your Chrome bar. You can go ahead and pin it so you have it easy to access later, and choose the ChatGPT sidebar. Just click New, and you can define your prompt, and then copy and paste the text of the prompt. I'm adding it here in this video description. Just paste it in here and swap it out with the details about your job posting, and make sure to check Include Web Page so it will look at the data on whatever page you are running on, such as someone's LinkedIn profile. If you have any questions, you can click the live chat button on this page, or you can comment on this video and I will sort you out. Thanks for watching.